To get 5G on Cricket Wireless, you need three things: a 5G compatible phone, a Cricket Wireless plan that includes 5G, and 5G coverage in your area. Cricket uses AT&T's 5G network, so your phone must support AT&T's 5G bands like N77. Popular compatible phones include the Samsung Galaxy S25, S24 series, Google Pixel 9 Pro, and iPhone 15. You can buy a phone directly from Cricket or bring your own unlocked AT&T compatible device. Ensure your plan is a 5G enabled unlimited plan. Older plans might have restrictions. Most of Cricket's unlimited plans include 5G access. 5G coverage is available in most areas via AT&T's network. Check Cricket's app for your specific location coverage. These are the key requirements for accessing 5G on Cricket Wireless. Cricket's 5G coverage spans over 2,500 cities and towns, covering approximately 90% of the U.S. population. However, coverage varies, especially in rural areas, so check Cricket's coverage map via their app. To activate 5G, insert your Cricket SIM card into your compatible phone and ensure you have a 5G plan. 5G should enable automatically. If not, check your phone's settings under Network and Internet on Android or Cellular on iOS. If needed, manually adjust the APN settings. Common APN settings are APN MMSC, MMSC.AIO wireless, proxy.AIO wireless.net. Contact Cricket support for assistance if you still have issues. If you are in a rural area and cannot get signal consistently, consider purchasing a signal booster.